Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open Allica Bank saving account online. So first we're going to go to our browser. Now we're going to search for allica.bank. So this is their official website. Then next we're going to click on the savings option on the top corner. Then click on personal savings. So here you're going to click on get started. So next it's going to tell you the different interest rates. Click on whichever is relevant for you. So next we're going to click on apply now button. Then next it's going to tell you what you need to apply. Then we're going to click on the accept privacy policy. Then click on begin application. Now you're going to insert your sign up details, your email, as well as your phone number. You're going to click on save and continue next. Then after sign up, you're going to have to verify your account. Then you're going to click on about your address. You're going to have to deposit some amount of money. Then your account will be set as long as the documents you're presenting are valid. So that's how you open an account. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.